When you think of luxury, tradition, and breathtaking craftsmanship in Indian fashion, one name stands out: Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Known as India's most celebrated designer, his creations are a perfect blend of heritage, storytelling, and modern sensibilities. In this video, we'll explore the journey of Sabyasachi, his signature designs, and why his name is synonymous with timeless elegance. The journey of Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi Mukherjee journey began in Kolkata, where he grew up surrounded by art, culture, and heritage. After graduating from the National Institute of Fashion Technology, he launched his eponymous label in 1999. Right from the start, his designs stood out for their unapologetic celebration of Indian textiles, handloom, and embroidery. Over the years, Sabyasachi has carved a niche for himself in bridal couture, luxury prêt, and jewelry. In 2003, he gained global attention when he showcased his work at Milan Fashion Week, putting Indian craftsmanship on the world map. From there, his journey has been nothing short of legendary. Sabyasachi famous designs. Sabyasachi designs are rooted in Indian culture, and his bridal collections are nothing less than masterpieces. The signature Sabyasachi bridal lehenga, with its deep reds, gold Zardozi embroidery, and intricate craftsmanship, has become a dream outfit for millions of brides. Beyond lehengas, his hand-woven silk saris, adorned with traditional motifs, are equally iconic. Pieces like the Bengal Tiger sari and the Banarsi masterpieces reflect his love for reviving India's textile heritage. But Sabyasachi isn't just about tradition. His designs often feature bold floral prints, velvet fabrics, and contemporary cuts, appealing to the modern fashion enthusiast while still retaining their Indian essence. Why Sabyasachi stands out. What sets Sabyasachi apart is his commitment to craftsmanship. Every piece tells a story, made by skilled artisans who use traditional techniques passed down through generations. His work celebrates India's diverse heritage, from Kanjivaram, Banarsi, Chikankari, and Fulkari. Sabyasachi is also a master of creating an experience. His campaigns, often shot in royal palaces or heritage settings, evoke a sense of nostalgia and luxury. Each design is more than just clothing. It's a statement, a piece of art, and a tribute to Indian culture. Sabyasachi Mukherjee isn't just a designer. He's a storyteller who weaves India's traditions into every thread and stitch. Whether it's a bridal lehenga, a stunning sari, or even his jewelry collections, his work resonates with timeless elegance and modern luxury. Subscribe to FabFlair for more.